Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos. Okay guys, I won't waste a lot of time. Today I'll be showing you guys a Eiffel Tower. Like one of my friend gifted me that game. Like I have seen many a times in stores and on roads that there is a paper thing from which we can make something. Yeah, so this is something like a paper. It is like a paper. It is a paper. So from that I can make Eiffel Tower. So the first thing, I am really fond of Eiffel Tower. Like I love its shape and everything. Like it is amazing. I don't know, Eiffel Tower really fascinate me and all of my friends know about it. So you guys also know. Yeah, and I really like that, and yeah, let's make it together. Yeah, without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so it is looking like this, and from here it is like a Eiffel Tower super puzzle. Yeah, so let's open it. Even I don't know how it works. Oh yeah, numbers are written on this: 13, 9, 9, 18. Let's see. I hope it turns out to be good. Okay, but numbers. Okay, see, I have this chart. Yay, yuppie. Okay. So where's one? It's over here. This is quite difficult and time consuming. Yeah, I got this. Okay, so what I have to do is okay, done. Similarly, we have to do one more. Okay, now 1, 2, 3 is done. Now this is, see here, this is the first step. Now it is the second step to be done. Okay, so for that you need a sixth wala part. Okay, this one. I guess these are the four corners. Yeah, let's go. Oh, there are two. I thought it is one. So our base is ready. I don't know how to put this. I'm clueless. Okay, it is very confusing. So after a lot of thinking, I got to know that first we have to put 7 wala and then 4 and 5th. And the thing I thought is all are same, but no, they are not same. See, you can see the difference here. In this the cuts are in the above section, and in this the cuts are in the below section. I didn't figure out that, and I got confused and I thought all are same, but no. Okay, so now let's go by step. Okay, there were holes over here also. Shit, I didn't knew this. Okay, so in this I thought that this center one is very small, but no, you have to bend the corners wala parts. Okay, it is quite okay. It was quite difficult after a lot of thinking, and I see how the steps are given. See, and I got to know that this is the next step, not this one. Yeah, so at the corners this two will get fixed. So yeah, let's see now. Again a wrong piece. Okay, I guess the steps are given wrong. I don't know, it is really very confusing. I'll make it my way now. Again a wrong, because I think this will come inside. Yeah. Okay, this gives a box wala effect from inside and it is looking nice. Hope for the best ahead. Okay, this is going inside. Damn. Okay, we'll figure it out. Okay. Okay, here I took some help of internet and it is happening. Do it softly, ultimately it's a paper, but it is quite hectic. Now I'm tired. Like, I was very much excited when I started, but now it has become a 1 hour and nothing has turned out. Okay, these two are only left and it's happening. Like, it's looking like an Eiffel Tower. Okay, this is an extra piece. Okay guys, it was really a hectic task. Like you saw, it literally requires a brain to use. Yeah. So whenever you are fresh, just that time do it. Don't do when you are bored, because you will literally get bored while making that. And it is not for kids. Like kids can't do these things. So after like a kid is in first standard or second standard, then only he or she can do, because it literally requires brain and a creative mind. So if you have a creative mind or your child have a creative mind, then only do this. Yeah. And it was literally, it took me 2 hours, like seriously. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, and subscribe. Soon we have to cross 10k, and I have literally amazing things for you guys. So yeah, do subscribe. Bye bye.